Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can connect Shopify with Payoneer Checkout. Okay, so this is going to be an easy tutorial, easy to follow. So before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step, of course. Now after that, what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay, and then you want to click on payments. Okay, so we need to download Payoneer Checkout first. As you can see, you want to click here on payments, and here this is going to be different, of course. Like if you live in United States, you will see like Shopify payments, or in Europe. Now at the end of the day, it's the same process. Okay, so you just need to follow the exact same steps. Okay, so you want to click on choose a provider, and after that you want to then search. Sorry, it's not really here. Don't click on choose provider, because this is going to be this is not going to work for everyone. Like I said, this is going to be different. Now instead, what you need to do, guys, in the PayPal or whatever you see here, this is, like I said, going to be different. If you live, for example, in Europe, probably you will see like Stripe as default supported payment method. Now here under the whatever you see here, it can be PayPal or whatever payment method. You will just need to click here where it says add payment method, and instead of searching by payment method, you want to search by a provider, and you want to then search for Payoneer. Okay, so after you search for Payoneer, click on it, Payoneer Checkout. As you can see, now Payoneer Checkout allows you to accept Visa payments or MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and two more. Now you want to click on it. As you can see, guys, it says the Payoneer Checkout makes it easy for customers to purchase anywhere in the world through fast, easy, and secure buying experiences. That build loyalty. So what you need to do, guys, you want to click on install. Okay, so after, guys, you click on install, what you need to do, guys, again, you want to click again on install, and then I'm going to be showing you guys the other steps so that you can connect Payoneer Checkout to Shopify. Now as you can see, it says here you are not accepting payments with Payoneer Checkout because you didn't finish setting up your account with this provider to start accepting payments. So what you guys need to do, you want to if you click here, I'm going to try to click here. All right, now you want to click on manage account. Okay, here. Now after, guys, as you can see, you want to click here manage account. Now it says here Payoneer Checkout seamless online payments build. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on get started. Okay, so even if you already have a Payoneer account, you will have to set up this. Okay, because this is going to take, like it says here, take your e-commerce to the next level with Payoneer Checkout. Now you need to set up an account, okay, on Payoneer Checkout so that you can connect it to Shopify. Okay, so you need to enter here your first name and last name. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, the email address, and here the phone number. So I'm going to put here a random phone number. All right, now you're gonna scroll down. I'm sorry, I didn't need, yeah, just click like again. I'm going to add here the first name and the second, the last name. All right, now as you can see, I'm going to add here a random phone number here. All right, it says here, do you sell internationally from your web store or like not marketplace? So if you sell internationally, you need to select here yes, and here you want to add here your Shopify URL. Okay, that's very important to add here your Shopify URL, so make sure you add it here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So after you add here your Shopify URL, what you guys need to do, you want to select here which e-commerce website you are using. For example, I'm using Shopify. Okay, so I'm going to add here this, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add the slash here. All right, so now, so like as you can see, what is your average monthly sales volume on your web on your web store? Now I'm going to go with 0 to 20k a month, and then scroll down, and then that's it, and then click on I would like to receive communications from Payoneer regarding products, promotions, and events, and they don't want to receive, or you can just select the first one or the second one, it depends on you. And after that, you want to click on submit. So I'm not going to click it because I already have an account. Okay, so I already submitted to like I want to be able to connect Payoneer Checkout to Shopify too. So click on submit, and you will have to wait a few, like it's with 24 hours, and then that's it. Of course, you have to keep in mind this is not going to work if you are outside of the China. Okay, so this is going to be only like available for people who live in China. As you can see, it says here Payoneer Checkout is currently available only on certain markets. So if you don't live in China, what you need to do, guys, you want to use Shopify. You want to use Shopify payment, or you can use Stripe. Okay. Of course, even if you live in outside of China, you can still like set up like Shopify, like a Payoneer Checkout, but you will have to create an LLC in China, okay, in Hong Kong. Now that's it, because they are going to ask you for like the company, like operation. If you have like a company in China, you can easily like set up Payoneer Checkout. But if you don't have anything associated with China, like if you don't have any company or any registered business in China, then this is going to be impossible. Okay, so and just need to find another payment provider like PayPal. As you can see, you can just activate PayPal, or you can activate another payment method like Stripe, which is a very good option for people that live in Europe. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you have, like I said, any questions, just go to the comments and let me know. If this one helped you, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.